The 6th Gen Maxima came with a manual transmission in 2004 and 2005. However, I think the front end looks hideous. Nissan did come out with a refresh in 2008 and it looked way better. So today I'll be installing that front end on my Maxima, and I'll also be installing a front lip, which will give it more of an aggressive look. I used rivets instead of double-sided tape. I don't plan on ever taking the lip off, but it does make life a lot easier if I ever have to. I think the swap came out pretty good. It looks way better than what came with the car. If you're trying to do this, you're gonna need the hood, the bumper, the headlights, the fog lights, and the grille. But I think it was worth it. Let me know what you think in the comments.